How often should air conditioner filters be cleaned? Air conditioning equipment is increasingly present in people's lives and they have become an appliance for daily use. But for it to work correctly, it is very important to perform regular maintenance from time to time or else it can cause performance problems. Increasing electrical consumption and damaging the internal air conditioning system. The filter is often not hearing the required attention. This is a very important component for the operation of the air conditioner for two reasons. To ensure that the device works correctly and for the health of the user, quality of the air we breathe. The filters of an air conditioner should be cleaned at least once a month during the cold season since due to the cold the filters could contract excess dust or the cold makes them heavy. If you have pets or live in a dusty or polluted environment, you may need to clean the filters more frequently since the dust is denser due to animal fur or the place of exposure.
Is it necessary to change the refrigerant every year? No, it is not necessary to change the refrigerant in your air conditioner every year. However, it is important to have your refrigerant level checked by a qualified technician on a regular basis. If there are leaks or loss of efficiency in the system, this is usually done every 2 to 3 years, but varies depending on the use and condition of the system. Regular maintenance is key to its optimal operation. How do you check for leaks in a conditioner? There are a few ways to check for leaks in an air conditioner. One way is to use a soap bubble solution. Apply the soap bubble solution to all of the joints and connections in the air conditioner. If there are any leaks, you will see bubbles forming. Another way to check for leaks is to use an electronic leak detector. Electronic leak detector can be purchased in most hardware stores. To use an electronic leak detector, follow the instructions that come with the device.
Air conditioner maintenance is essential for ensuring that your unit operates efficiently and effectively. A well-maintained air conditioner will cool your home more quickly and evenly, use less energy, and last longer. Here is a guide to air conditioner maintenance. Regular maintenance. The frequency of the air maintenance depends on the type of unit you have and the amount of is received. In general, it is recommended to have your air conditioner serviced and lost once of ERB qualified technician. Main text. A typical air conditioner maintains basic will include the following text. Cleaning of the filters. The filters are the filters line of the defense against dirt and debris that can clog the system and reduce airflow. They should be cleaning or replaced every month or the often if you have pets of the life in the ducts every month. Explain the coolings. The coolings are responsible for transferring heat from the air to the refrigerant. They should be cleaning the remote dust and other debris that can restrict airflow and reduce efficiency. Checking the refrigerant level. The refrigerant is a fluid that circulates through the system and absorbs heat. The level of refrigerant should be checked to ensure that it is sufficient for proper operation. Testing the electrical components. The electrical components of the air conditioning should be tested to ensure that they are operating properly. Additional text. I am addition of the regular maintenance text you may need to have your air conditioner service more often you experience any of the following problems. 1. The unit is not cooling properly, that is making usual noises. The unit is leaving water.
Various types of air conditioning systems exist, each possessing unique features and necessitating distinct maintenance protocols. The following delineates some prevalent air conditioner varieties alongside their corresponding upkeep recommendations. Window air conditioner. Filters are regularly cleansed, ensuring level placement of the unit and sealing any openings to avoid efficiency compromise. Central air conditioning. Filters are routinely cleaned and replaced, duct connections inspected, and periodic professional maintenance scheduled. Mini split or split system. Regular cleaning of filter and coils is essential, along with checks on electrical connection and scheduling professional maintenance for the outdoor compressor. Portable air conditioner. Maintenance entails cleaning filters and coils, confirming level alignment, and inspecting electrical connections. Inverter air conditioner. Routine maintenance comprises the cleaning of the filters and coils, verification of electrical connections, and the scheduling of professional maintenance to optimize inverter performance. General maintenance recommendations. Routine cleaning and inspection of filters at visit, verification, and, if necessary, recarrying of refrigerant should be undertaken. Inspection and cleaning of coils and ducts as required. Ensuring secure electrical connection is imperative. Annual professional maintenance should be scheduled for a comprehensive inspection. The most appropriate maintenance strategy hangs of the specific model of the air conditioner and the prevailing environmental condition. Consulting the user manual and adhering to manufacturer guidelines is paramount for effective maintenance. Additionally, periodic enlistment of professional maintenance service can significantly contribute to the efficiency and durability of the systems.